This would be another plane, even on the side plane.
So simplifying shapes
So,
into
may mga dumating na namang parcels kanina. And
It also really probably in this play around with shapes and play around
I
with the way
ordered
that those, you know,
from a niche na nakita namin ng ate ko. And ordered na mostly dito is on pieces. Tapos nakaset kasi siya. Anyway, let's open positions dito. It's from Kiyom LYS. The page on the
brain
sila na infect. Oh my gosh, ang dami ng freebie siya. From Always Yours, tsaka Going 17, na Lona Card. I have Vernon.
There's so much
I have BK. I have Chua. And I have Wingyu. Kaming magnet pa rin ako kahit slight. And then Dino.
Generally darker than the background of the
Tapos, mga freebies, ang cute. Tapos mga hair ties. I badly needed hair ties. Thank you po.
Done so subtly, that's the thing.
Shit tons of stickers.
You're nerds, you're just gonna score it everywhere.
Hearts. Cute.
But this is like, again, the
Can
thing
add
about the
this
language,
or
I think
like
it's so
decorate
important to develop skills that you, of course,
No.
I want to continue to try to improve
For the final.
foundational
So, yung mga binili ko dito, hindi ko rin kamo talaga sila. Ano, bukod dun sa 1 pieces na binili ko. So, yung isang set is around, hindi ko na rin tanda yung price, 700, 600. Pero mga RPCs siya.
And so you have to be
Oh, freebie ako.
It's just
Hindi siya malapit sa freebie. I love it.
connected to dance. Ballet. When you come in, you have to know your posture.
So, I didn't
You have to have your feet a certain
order
way.
Vernon
But
Ata.
there's, and that comes down to, I think, style and style.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
You have the
And then, ito kasama ko sa in-order ko.
kind of open your mind into that. And I feel like I have like
Yan, kasama ko sa set. Pero ito separate
it's one
ko
thing when
na
you down
ano,
and
wolo.
you're like, oh, so versatile. And for me, I'm just making whatever I'm in the mood in the moment.
Wolo
You know, I think it's okay.
because you have this vast language for it.
Right,
Fundamentals
and
and
it's
basics and how it's put in.
It's okay because it forms. You know, it finds one another. And I think it's important to, it's better to keep it working in different, all these different things than to sit there
Ayaw siyang ibigay sa ate ko.
which style do I do? Just start.
Cute niya masyado.
Just literally start with a market.
Sabi ko na siya ibibigay. Sabi ko ibibigay dito. And wala akong PC masyado ng FML regular albums.
Yeah, I want to do more. I want to do more flash pieces as well. But
Do you have any cool projects in sort of
Pero yes, wala. Eh, balak pa rin naman ako bumili ng FML albums na regular.
start to see it. Start to see
The
it.
set is, syempre, Uzi, and
So learn something
maumay.
as of right now.
because we love it. You can't tell we love it. We love it. But back to it.
Yeah, so I think I
miss
think the self-portrait like finished project was awesome. It
This is a one-piece design.
experience, but then as soon as I
And
finished, I started
Uzi's
this, I guess like
different
working on that
culture.
project, opening my love back up to like going out and sketching.
Fifteen na maybe.
Pieces are little little miracles going on. There are moments after.
Actually, dito ako mag-video mamaya madaling
If
araw.
you're level and you're
Kaso,
with another that's your daughter
ewan ko, wala akong masyadong energy right now. So I'm feeling like shit.
I think
You only trying to find for you?
Pero okay lang yan. It's part of the process.
It's not about your heroes and you think
Love down days.
and what you're doing, but you have a naturalistic, anatomically
That's what
correct,
makes you
illustrative, graphic
grow.
stuff. But that's
Anyway,
not really finite, you know.
last
That's
is
do you, since you've seen me like this past few hours, do you feel like a person's personality comes through their art?
atinista.
Like if you, I don't really
Well,
think
technically, hindi siya
that-
mono atinista. It's mono sugat.
I think that
Ano ba? Kita niyo ang kanyang all in shining glory.
I think like
Yeah,
so it's really into like always like things happen.
Bitch.
Like you see his face lights up when he talks about it, and I think when I saw those things, I saw like a strong connection. That's what I felt.
and I really think
Ayun,
that
yun
that's a
naman
very
yung
good
dito.
I think that's a
Ito yung mga binili ko. Ito,
whatever, to hold myself to
itong
that
set na
standard.
to. Ito, BK. Fujisung Kwan, and then separate kasi yung FML Mono Harbor.
And this is my perspective.
Tapos,
But
she
you
gave me a
can
freebie of Vernon Attacker Red.
access some random guy at the coffee shop.
Special PC din. So, na-nerve ko siya siguro ko. Tapos may mga free lomos pa siya. Hindi siya madalot. Oh my gosh, I love that shop. Hindi ko bibili ko ulit sa kanya.
It's true.
Okay, next.
Oh my god,
My favorite shop. Ito, diba?
Everything about shop and that's why
Kasi, I was always telling na may napanalo na akong giveaway. So,
even off the part of the
videos na na-shoot ko na.
and I want to see my colors. So that's the
Ngayon lang siya dumating. That's my prize for the giveaway. Hindi ko alam paano siya pagkakasya.
Hanging out with friends or constantly watching their
Okay. I
I let go of, you know, I let go of
One.
I never really did that honestly.
Is this a bookmark?
And I
I'm
just
not
was
sure.
very focused on my
It's
work.
the
And I
dagat
realized
version.
sometimes if I go out and I have fun, but when I do my studio, there's such a euphoria.
She looks ethereal.
Not even in the studio, and that's why I started coming out.
See? It's true, a dagat.
You know, it's just that,
And of
that
course, the CD.
vacation. Being in gives you this feeling that nothing else can
But I think, but sometimes it's because, right? I think maybe guys on that is the self-improvement is like a big thing. It's like, I'm doing to do something by you, for you,
This is not an album,
I'm
this is a
learning more,
book.
I'm working hard, what I'm making is fulfilling, when you do it more, sort of thing.
Yeah, and another thing
The
is when you
hip-hop
come out of high
music.
school, like, it's just everything else is just, it's all about you. It's about the kind of person you are, your values, and how you structure your life.
This.
And I think that when it comes down to everything that you do, habits, like positive habits of just make your mental better,
Not sure
1%
where I
better,
put it here.
everything.
So, kailangan mag-isip.
Which will come, yeah, which will accumulate
Nadagdagan na siya.
over time to build up. Like,
Madami
you
na
can't jump from here,
postcards ko.
like, you can't really
Hindi about it. Basta have like shit tons of parcel na parating.
started that challenge. Yeah, and I just kind of like started
Ayun,
I don't know
merch band ko na yung sarili ko.
everybody's waiting for another one. Tell me guys.
Ginagagas is next week. So, start na rin naman ang aking work. So, this is from BK Shop. Ito yung my wallet.
I want to talk about, that's really insightful, I think it's a lot. I know we talked briefly about traveling, and I don't know if you want to talk about that, but I'm curious if for, not just
They
the
don't have.
person like that, like your artistic career specifically.
So you mean based on like specifically?
Johan, Jomo.
Where you are going in
Oh my
your
God.
business, your own personal work.
Ate, mix at Names. Favorite nyo na ba talaga ako?
Actually,
Oh my God.
for teaching and helping and educating. So I think I wanna somehow work my own
Oh my
platform or
God.
community where I can
Look at this pretty boy.
and whether that's going to be through books, like I kind of want, I have a plan of it all.
Freebie and this
I
sticker.
think it's also some things that will
Tapos, set kasi siya nung binili ko since yung Jonghan na to.
passion for like, I just want to start something like
Masyado siyang
I think the world needs it. I think that I really
Itong
want
set
to
na,
be able to
itong
have
Jonghan na to,
books.
kailangan mo siyang iset kasi 1:2 PC siya. So, I set it with the 95 line.
But, looking back, like, life develops, your journey continues, and you just have to keep assessing, keep reflecting, and keeping yourself on
So,
track.
this is Jonghan RPC na
So, I guess
barber
what about you?
and shoe kasi.
Hard to decide those things, but
Yeah, I think, what I think is
Look at this carnival car. That flop boy, charot. I-flop yun.
I think it's a pivotal time.
And, syempre,
Yeah, and like, I don't think
Si
that,
Patsy.
I don't know how long I'll have a studio, and that's sort of
nauwi ko na. I was planning talaga na bumili ng deluxe album. Kasi hindi ko alam. Parang, I can just buy the PC separately na lang din ng labas. Kaya lang, pag-isip ko pa, I can just buy it as bulk or as a whole or what.
third year, that was really fulfilling.
So, yun. Yun lang yung dito sa PC. Ay, sa parcel na to. Ay, isa pa akong parcel na. Bilang isa. Dami akong parcel. May dalawang parcel pa akong parating from them. Sa BK Shop. Tapos isa sa Shopee. Tapos yung shawl carver ko. Two merch band talaga. Either for complete merch band. This is my PCs from BK Shop.
I tend to go the business route.
I'm happy.
It's important to know that
Yan. Yun lang
a lot
naman
of
itong
things
video
that
na to.
artists were aware of.
So, every time that I open my phone, this week,
And to be on top of that,
or
too,
the last weeks of October, and then first week of November,
Oh, yeah.
is burst of serotonin dopamine sa akin. Pero hindi siya good sa bulsa
It's
ko.
fun. It's really
My God, yung credit card ko, puro kaskas. Anyway, babalik ang pera, ang saya hindi. Tomorrow 17 gastos in the future.
in reality, when we make videos, we kind of write